Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States, serving from March 1861 until his assassination in April 1865. He is one of the most iconic and revered figures in American history, known for his leadership during the Civil War and his efforts to abolish slavery. Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 in a one-room log cabin in Kentucky. He grew up in poverty and had very little formal education, but he was an avid reader and taught himself about a wide range of subjects. As a young man, he worked as a storekeeper, surveyor, and lawyer before entering politics. In 1858, Lincoln ran for the United States Senate as a member of the Republican Party. Although he lost the election, his eloquent speeches during the campaign, known as the Lincoln-Douglas debates, gained him national recognition and set the stage for his future political career. In 1860, Lincoln was elected President of the United States. He took office at a time when the country was deeply divided over the issue of slavery, and his election was met with widespread opposition in the South. In 1862, he signed the Emancipation Proclamation, which declared that all slaves in the United States were to be set free. During his presidency, Lincoln also oversaw the passage of several important pieces of legislation, including the Homestead Act, which granted land to individuals who were willing to settle and farm it, and the Pacific Railway Act, which provided funding for the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad. Lincoln's efforts to preserve the Union and end slavery earned him a place in history as one of the greatest American presidents. He was assassinated by Confederate sympathizer John Wilkes Booth on April 14, 1865, just a few months after the end of the Civil War.